Audit status log files. When the audit login is started, it creates log files under the UV home and UDT home directory. There are two log files, uvadd.log and uvadd.errorlog. The uvadd.log which stores status information, and the uvadd.errorlog which stores the errors, warnings, and critical messages. If there's something wrong like audit login is crashing, or the disk space becomes full, we can obtain some useful information from the error log. We can also selectively output the message type by changing the parameter in Audit config and UV config. Next, I will show you two log audit files. In the UV home, I list the UV AUDD files. First, let's check the UV AUDD log file. You will always see the description of the first two lines in the log file. We have four types of log information. I for information, W for warning, E for error, C for critical. In this file, we always store the status information. We use the local time and with the offset of the UTC time in the log file. Let's check the other file, error log file. You can also see the same first two lines. In the error log file, we can see some warnings messages in my audit process. It's okay. Okay, we can also manually change the type of log type that needs to be recorded in our UV config file. The last one, four types are specified by default. Okay, next, let's do a simple action to see the status of audit. I will stop the audit server. We'll generate new status information in the audit log. Okay, the last two lines, you can see it. Through the status file, we can better know the running status of audit at any time. Okay, that's it for status log file.